Good morning, everyone. This is Nate G. It is the May 7th, Tuesday, May 7th, and we're going to do a trade plan on PHM. PHM is in a 30-minute squeeze. We have double topped here on the daily, but we are consolidating sideways here after rejecting that double top, and we're looking to go in and retest it again and hopefully push through. We just kind of want to double check that that's all-time highs. It certainly looks like it. And if you had any question on whether this thing was in a trend, it definitely is in a good bullish uptrend. So we're gonna try and capture this thing on the 30-minute chart and see if we can get a piece of it. So we come in here on the 30-minute. I am going to want to see these people over here just to give me some frame of reference because they're the only other people that have traded up here. So I'm going to come in. I put a green line at that spike high, and I'm going to come in and put in that's a lot of words. Our point of control there. And then I'm going to put a value area high about right here. And this is where it's kind of an art form, right? You can see this thing keeps tearing away. But you can see I've got a level sort of right there with these two tops. And so I'm just going to pick that area there as my smaller value area high that we've got to get up and above. And then I'm going to put in a little value area low here. Okay, so now I've got that drawn in. We're going to play this on the 30-minute, but I'm going to look at it on a 5-minute so we can get some more information and create our trade plan and make sure that our levels are at good spots. Okay, so you can see our value area high. We can kind of adjust that slightly. We've spiked through it a little bit, but it's really held that area well, right? So we're going to use that, and then we're going to slide this point of control up just a touch. And you can see in these patterns when we get a breakdown and reclaim, that's pretty bullish. So what I'm looking for in this would be a pullback to our point of control here at 117.74 or thereabouts. If we tested the low again today, that would be a great entry spot. And then I'm going to do two things. I'm going to measure this high to the low and put a target number 2 up here at 121.87. Like that. And then I'm going to get rid of this thing so it's out of the way. And then I'm going to check my risk reward on this with the risk reward box. Let's say we wait for an entry slightly above point of control, let's say. So we move our stop level. Well, if I could work the box, that would be even better. Move our stop level up to here. Move our target level up to target number 1. And if we can wait a little bit to get an entry, we have a 5-to-1 risk reward here, which I like a lot. Okay, we could even, if we wanted to, give it a little bit of room because our RR is so good here, and we could stop here at the swing low. Right, it gives us more of a 2-to-1. But if we wanted to give it a little bit more room, the more recent swing low, maybe we pick it up off of POC, right? And we're looking at 2.5-to-1. So we can put a line in here at this swing low as a possible stop area. But if it breaks down out of this 117.34, we need to be watching it pretty carefully. Okay, so then I would say we're on a 30-minute. So I'm going to go out to the, let's see here, PHM. On a 30-minute, I'm going to go out 10 days. Do I need to go out 10 days? What's today? Tuesday? I might even try, if I'm feeling aggressive, I might try the 118s. Right? Those are currently selling for about $135. But those are, 3 days. If I'm feeling a little more conservative, I'd probably buy the 118s May 17th. So that would give us 10 days. And I'm taking half to 2/3 of my position off at 120.76, and then the remaining trailer off at 121.87, 122 area basically. So that's my trade plan on PHM. And right now this thing is pulling back a little bit, and so I'm gonna watch it to see kind of off of this level, this 117.88, see if we might be setting up, either another double bottom or a little inverted head and shoulders. So I'm going to put right about, 117.85. I'm going to put in an alert so that it just lets me know if it comes into that area. All right, that's trade plan on PHM. And then I'm going to stop the recording and do the LMT.